Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Replay. This fantastic feature lets you capture your most exciting in-game moments directly within many Roblox experiences. It's a built-in tool designed to record your gameplay, allowing you to relive and share your adventures. You can typically find the replay option within the experience's main menu or a dedicated recording interface. We'll walk through accessing it and getting started with your first recording. Recording your gameplay is straightforward. Once you're in a supported experience, look for the replay button, which often appears as a camera icon. Clicking this button will initiate the recording process, and you'll usually see a visual indicator, like a red dot or a timer, confirming it's active. When you're finished capturing your moment, simply click the same button again to stop. Your recorded clip will then be saved automatically to your device or the game's designated replay folder. After recording, you'll want to view your masterpieces. Your saved replays are typically accessible through a Replays or My Clips section within the Roblox experience itself, or sometimes in a specific folder on your device. When watching, you often have control over playback speed, can switch between various camera perspectives, and even pause to catch every detail. Certain experiences might also offer simple editing tools or direct sharing options to showcase your best plays. To make your replays truly stand out, consider a few tips. First, optimize your in-game graphics settings before recording to ensure the highest visual quality for your clips. Second, don't be afraid to experiment with various camera angles and perspectives during playback. This can add a professional touch to your videos. Finally, share your most exciting and creative replays with your friends and the vast Roblox community to get feedback and inspire others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.